Hello, good afternoon, Miss Ginung and everyone. My name is Walacita Duanggreni, number 18. Today I will present of my observation regarding the English Championship. Pictures. The main event is the achievement of Desmilana Tenri Safira, a fifth grade student of Minukaha Mukmin Sidoarjo, who won third place in the space contest at the Gensino Festival 2026 and become youngest participant in at the competition. Thank you, Miss Ginung and everyone. Goodbye.